You searched how to send high-priority email in Outlook, and I'll walk you through it on screen right now. Open Outlook. Click New Email at the top left. A blank message window opens with the cursor in the To field. If you have more than one account in Outlook, click the From button above the To line and pick the address you want this message to come from. I always check this before anything else because an urgent message sent from the wrong account creates a second problem you then have to clean up. For this one, I'm sending from my work account. Type the recipient's address. I'll use jordan@contoso.com. Press Tab to move down to the subject field. Type project files needed by noon. Don't type urgent or important in the subject line because that doesn't set Outlook's actual priority flag. It's just text and the recipient's inbox won't treat it any differently. The high importance flag is a separate setting. Click in the body and type a short note. I'm writing, Jordan, I need the final project files by noon so I can submit the budget. Thanks. Keep the message short because the high importance flag is what tells them it matters, not another paragraph. The flag sits in a different part of the message header and travels with the email itself. Now look at the ribbon across the top of the message window. Find the tags group. Click High Importance. The button lights up and a red exclamation mark appears in the message header at the top. That red mark is the only thing in Outlook that actually marks a message as high priority. It doesn't make the email travel any faster, and it doesn't override the recipient's inbox rules, but it does surface the message with that red mark in their message list, and many people treat it as a signal to open it now. I reserve this for things that need same-day action, because if every message you send gets the red exclamation, people stop reacting to it. If your ribbon is set to the simplified style, the same command may be tucked inside a Set Importance dropdown, but the result is identical. One more thing worth setting before this goes out. Click the Options tab on the ribbon. In the tracking group, tick Request a Delivery Receipt. That sends you a confirmation when the message reaches the recipient's mail server, not when they open it. I use Delivery Receipt over Read Receipt because people can decline read receipts, and that just leaves you guessing. You'll get a separate confirmation email with the words Delivery Receipt in the subject. Before you send, glance just above the To field. In a work account, Outlook often shows a mail tip here if the recipient is out of office or if there's a delivery problem. That warning appears before you send, so read it and don't send an urgent email into an automatic away message. Click Send in the upper left. The message window closes and Outlook either sends it immediately or drops it into your outbox depending on your connection. Once you're back in the inbox, open Sent Items in the left folder pane, double-click the message you just sent. At the top of the header, you'll see that same red exclamation mark and a note that the message was marked as high importance. That's exactly what the person on the other end sees, and it's the fastest way to confirm the flag stuck. If you catch a mistake right after sending, open the message in Sent Items and click File, then click Resend or Recall Message. If the recipient is on the same Exchange system, you'll see Recall this message. Click that. The dialog gives you two options. I usually leave Delete Unread Copies selected because you want the bad version gone, not replaced with another email. It only works if they haven't opened it yet, so it's not a guarantee, but it's the only undo button Outlook gives you. If you need high importance on every email, there's a default you can change. Click File, then Options, then Mail. In the Send Messages section, find Default Importance Level. Click the drop-down and change Normal to High. I wouldn't leave that on permanently because starting every message as urgent is the fastest way to make the red mark meaningless. But if your job genuinely runs on urgent email, this saves you a click every single time. The Per Message High Importance button still overrides this default, so you're not locked in. Like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.